This OVB Quick Start Guide is focused on the Video Explorer. You can access this tool from your clinic dashboard by going to the left-hand menu and clicking Video Explorer. Once here, you have a couple different options to help you find an activity. If you know the name, you can type it in the search box, or you can use our filter system by clicking here. And on the left-hand side, you will see our umbrella categories. And from here, you can click on any subcategories. Or you can filter by series. We have Kids in Motion, which are professional Pilates videos demonstrating various movements focusing on core and balance. We have OVB Coach, which are professional videos demonstrating how to use therapy equipment at home along with therapy activities. And We Move, which are fun tutorials focusing on using common household items to work on perceptual skills. So I'm going to say I want to do OVB Coach. I want to do Marston Ball 1. So go ahead and click here and it will launch the video in a separate module. That is Video Explorer. Thank you.